All right, Ford collectors, or more importantly, show collectors, check out this SHO 1996 Ford SHO sedan. Absolutely beautiful car. This particular car is like a time capsule. A little over 2,000 miles on it, and it appears like a brand new car. Now, this one, Torador red, saddle interior. Of course, it has the 3.4 liter V8 underneath the hood, 235 horse. I believe 96 was the first year of the V8 SHO. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can look at this thing in the still pictures, look at it up close, look at the undersides, interior, engine bay, and just see how clean of an example this is, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website where you can see the pictures. Feel free to call us to 507-386-1726. Front end of this car, I have not really seen any sort of chips, nicks, anything on it. You can still see the little tiny dimples which would have came from the factory for the license plate bracket. License plate bracket is color matched, and it is in the trunk of the car, along with a couple other things, some parts that I think somebody probably wanted to pick up just in case they were needed and were unable to get in the future. So those are in there. You can see what they are in the still pictures, and then there's also a car cover in there that will go with the car. Optional sunroof, and again, saddle interior. These were a very plush interior, 96. Leather bucket seats. 4-speed automatic on the floor. AC and everything blows cold. Everything that I've played around with in this car does work. And now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Check with your sales associate when you call in or email. This particular car, Carfax verifies miles, no accidents indicated, and from what I can see, all original paint on this one. It also states it's a 2-owner car on the Carfax. The one subtle badging of the SHO right there on the 96s. We're going to fire this up too and let you check out the engine bay, see how clean that is. It's amazing. The car is like it rolled off the showroom floor. Take that key out a second. Alright, so of course all the equipment, power mirrors, power locks, power windows, and then just take a look at the floor mat. Now that shaded part, that's actually the shadow from the steering wheel, FYI. Leather is nice and supple in this one. And appears to be all stock. I don't see anything that has been modified on this either. Let's go ahead and fire it up. So there's your exact miles, 2,924. There's no warning indicators on. Just a seatbelt light. So I'm sitting here without the seatbelt on. Again, stock stereo system, climate control. Dash not faded. Just the way you'd expect it for the miles. Slip around to the back, stock exhaust. The one thing I did notice, the wheels, or I should say tires, going by the date code, have been replaced. Look like, I'd have to look in the pictures again. It's either 2014 or 2017, but again, those will be in the still pictures. You can see the date code on the tires, you can see all the wheels close up, underside, and again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Now, I'm going to pause this a second. I'll get this hood up and have you check out this engine bay. And here you go. I mean, just look at the hood liner. Look how clean this is. Just under 3,000 miles, 2,900 and some odd miles. Like I said, like a time capsule. Very, very nice car. 1996 Ford Taurus SHO. Clean Carfax, give us a call. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, down below this video, in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.